I'm going to be flipping this deck with one of our partners. So I'm working with Wagner Spraytech, and I'm taking this little space. It's not very big here. It's probably about 10 foot, 15 foot square. And I'm going to turn it into the most amazing space that we're really now enjoying in the evenings. So we're doing this all week. Every day I'm going to do a little bit of the space, and you're going to see it at the end of the week. So join me every single day, because you are going to be so surprised how this looks at the end. It's totally different. Building the sprayer was really simple as well. You can see, just take it out of the box, couple of items to assemble. You can choose whether you use the large or the small piece in the bottom there to hold your paint. And then you have the option of the narrow nozzle or the wider nozzle, depending on what you are spraying. There's some really clear instructions as well as to what you're spraying. So are you spraying something large like I am here outdoors? Are you spraying furniture? You're going to need a different nozzle. And also as to how much of a spray you need. There's a couple of different adaptations you're going to make. So just have a look through the instructions. It's also on the sprayer itself as to how much of a spray you're going to need. So you just want to make those adaptations on there. I decided to use the bags inside of my sprayer. Now this saved me loads and loads of clear up. I really recommend you use these, because once you're done, you literally throw those away and it's done. And I am using some Sherwin-Williams white paint here. So super simple, but now we get to do the fun bit. So let's spray. How quick and easy with that. I actually ended up doing 2 coats to get the coverage I wanted over my siding, and just to make sure it was durable and long lasting as it's outdoors. But it was so much easier spraying compared to doing it with brushes and rollers. Super easy clear up as well, because the whole sprayer comes apart so you can wash it. There's also a little cleaning brush in the packaging too, so it's really nice and easy to clean. And then you can see I've pulled the tape off, really easy to get rid of all my prep work there. I made it nice and easy on myself. And now you can see my bright white deck. So now tomorrow we're going to be moving on to doing some of the decoration pieces. I've got some furniture that I've thrifted that we're going to make over. We're going to make all of our upholstery. We're going to make pillows. I've got some other items that I've thrifted that we're going to make over. We've got tons of things. We're also paint pouring this week. So many fun crafts that I'm going to show you, upcycles. So be sure to join me tomorrow for more of this transformation. I'm super excited to be showing you, and then we'll have a full reveal later in the week too. As always, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, ring the bell, and give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to join our perks program, because you'll get a sneak peek behind the scenes of some of the things coming up later in the week too. And I will see you again tomorrow with more of our flip. We've also got some other videos this week coming. We'll still have the tonic live and everything for you. I'm super excited. Check out the links in the video description, and there is a blog post as well. So if you want to see some pictures and more information about the spraying process, you can check that out too in the video description. Thanks so much for joining me. I'll see you again soon. Happy crafting. Bye.